Did you know that a tiny seed could revolutionize your weight loss journey and improve your overall health? Meet flax seeds, the ultimate superfood you didn't know you needed. In today's video, we'll uncover the science-backed benefits of flax seeds for weight loss and your well-being. Flax seeds are a small nutty seed packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties. These nutrients make flax seeds a powerful ally for anyone looking to shed pounds and improve their health. One of the key reasons flax seeds are great for weight loss is their high fiber content. Fiber slows down digestion, keeps you full longer, and reduces cravings. Plus, flax seeds contain omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and support metabolism, two crucial factors for weight management. Studies show that adding just a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your meals can help control appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the chance of overeating. But the benefits don't stop there. Flax seeds are also known to lower bad cholesterol and improve heart health, support brain health thanks to its omega-3s, enhance digestion and prevent constipation, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers due to lignans. To get the most out of flax seeds, it's best to consume them ground rather than whole, as your body can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Here are some easy ways to add flax seeds to your diet. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies. Mix them into baked goods like muffins or pancakes, or use them as an egg substitute by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. While flax seeds are incredibly nutritious, moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Avoid potential side effects like bloating. Also, drink plenty of water, as the fiber in flax seeds absorb liquid. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult your doctor before using flax seeds. Flax seeds offer a range of additional health benefits beyond weight loss. Here are some. One noteworthy one is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 support heart health, reduce inflammation, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Improve skin and hair health. The omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins in flax seeds promote healthy skin by reducing dryness and acne. They also strengthen hair, prevent breakage, and may reduce dandruff. Supports hormonal balance. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which are phytoestrogen plant compounds that mimic estrogen. They help balance hormones in the body, making flax seeds beneficial for women during menopause or menstruation. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. This is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Promotes heart health. Flax seeds help reduce bad cholesterol and improve good cholesterol, HDL. The omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds also contribute to lowering blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health. Boosts digestive health. The soluble and insoluble fiber in flax seeds supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria, improving gut health. Reduces inflammation. Flax seeds, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans have anti-inflammatory properties which may help reduce symptoms of conditions like arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory diseases. May protect against certain cancers. The lignans in flax seeds have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Research suggests they may reduce the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers such as breast and prostate cancer. In addition to aiding in weight loss, flax seeds help maintain a healthy weight by reducing hunger, regulating metabolism, and preventing fat accumulation. Boost immune function. Flax seeds contain nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and selenium, which support the immune system and help the body fight infections. Improves bone health. The magnesium and phosphorus in flax seeds support strong bones and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Improves mental health. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to support brain health, improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. They may also help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. May aid in detoxification. Flax seeds are high in fiber, which helps the body eliminate toxins through the digestive system. They also support liver function, further aiding detoxification. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you can enjoy these incredible benefits for your overall health and well-being. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of flax seeds for weight loss and overall health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use flax seeds in your diet. Until next time, inshallah, take care and stay healthy.